Okay, so let's see in this video how we can create videos in bulk with Canva plus ChatGPT, but I'm also going to show you another tool that is going to be much faster to create the videos and probably better, so we will see it at the end of the video. But let's start with ChatGPT plus Canva and keep watching until the end if you want to know the other tool that we are going to use, that it's going to save you a lot of time and probably give you also better results. So let's see. First of all, let's go to chatgpt.com. And here in ChatGPT, what we want to create is just the scripts of our videos. So probably we have a topic in mind, like motivational videos. And with that topic in mind, we need to create like different scripts so we can then create the videos inside Canva. I'm going to say, give me a video script for a motivational video. Just give me the text of the video, the voice should talk. Nothing else, and don't give me any tags, patterns, etc. Perfect. So just let's ask ChatGPT for a video script, and it's giving me the motivational video script. Perfect. Probably it's going to be a little bit long, this script that it's going to give me. So I'm going to stop the script and I'm going to say, give me the script much shorter for a TikTok video. So it gives me a better script. So here I can see like two answers that ChatGPT is giving me, and then I can choose between one or the other. Every morning presents a choice, every day is a new chance to raise. I'm going to go with the first one, and we will use this script to create the voice. To create the voice, we have one option that it's going to 11labs.io, and here we can create the voice that we want. Like for example, I'm going to add here the text of my script. I'm going to choose a voice, so I like to choose Adam, for example, and generate the script. Now 11 Labs will give me my audio here, perfect. And here I can download the audio just by here, perfect. Once it has finished, we can download the audio and we can use it later inside Canva. Great. So let's go to Canva. Here in canva.com, right now we can look for an Instagram story, or let's see if there is Instagram reel. Yeah, perfect, Instagram reel. Let's use one of these, start with one that is blank, and here we can start to add some videos. So for example, we can choose motivational. Let's see, here we have like some templates for motivational videos with the texts and everything. That can be quite good, but I'm going to go first of it. I really like this template, so let's use this template. Great. Right now this template has like a video inside of it, it has a text, and it has this layer. I'm going to keep the text, but I'm going to change the video. For the video, to change it, we can go to app here on the left, then search video, and click on video. Now here we have like a lot of videos, but we can search for motivation. And here we have like a lot of videos that we can use. The videos with the crown are paying, the other ones are free. Let's start with some ones that are free, and we can just drag and drop it here on top of our video. But this is probably a bit too long, so it's a 30 seconds video, so I want to do it shorter. We could click here and make it shorter if we have the paying version. If not, we have to use this length that we have with the free version, and we could add more scripts. So let's search for more videos here. I'm going to add a plus, and I'm going to add a plus. So we have like different videos that are going to be shown, and we can add a text inside our video. With this text, what we can do is go to our script that we have generated with ChatGPT and copy just a sentence or a few words, come back to Canva, double click and paste it. So here, then we can put our text on top of the video that it's going to be playing, and then we can add our voice to the video. So we could go to Carican here. Probably it will be in another language for you, but just make sure to look for this icon, and then we can upload the text that we have generated with 11 Labs. So, for example, I click here for download. I will go back to Canva. We can drag and drop the new audio that we added here. And then we can drag and drop the uploaded audio and put it here. So now we have our videos with the audio and everything. Just let's make this a little bit shorter. So probably here, and then probably here I can make this shorter, but I want to use the full audio. So and we can add more scenes and everything. To see how everything is being looking, we can click here for play and see the full video that it's being created. So here we have like some videos, some text over it. We have the voices and everything. We could change the things to add, like, for example, if we want to do these motivational videos with Midjourney images or other things, then we could go to Midjourney, create the images, upload them, and we have to go one by one and go to ChatGPT, do the script and everything. But I have another choice. If you want to automate the full process and probably be able to modify it better and create like better videos much faster, then I have another tool for you. That is this one. It's Videotok. So if you go to the website, videotok.app, then you will be able to create faceless videos like for Reels, TikTok, Shorts, and then horizontal videos. And then just with your subscription, you will be able to create like a lot of videos. So I already have an account with Videotok, so I will go to create. And now inside Videotok, here I have like some example videos that I already created and everything, but then I'm going to create new videos. So to create these motivational videos, I have two choices. Or I paste my own script, or I create one with Videotok and I don't have to do anything. So motivational video for entrepreneurs. And then I can select the aspect ratio. In my case, it's just short. I could select if I want Google Images or AI Images. I'm going to go with AI Images. And then here I have like different styles. So for my AI Images, I'm going to go with analog film. I really like this one. And then the language is going to be in English. And the voice we can select also here. Alan US, or also we have this motivational mail. So I'm going to go with the motivational. Just create, generate, and we don't have to think anymore. Right now it's going to give me a script. Here I have my script. I really like it, much better than the one I got from ChatGPT probably. And also we can modify it. So here are some things that we can modify, or we can leave it like this. We could accept the script, and now our video is generating. So if we want to create like 100 motivational videos, right now I could just click on generate again. It's going to give me another script. If I like the script, I will accept it. If not, I will modify it and I don't have to do anything else. So here we have like completely different script. I can accept it again. And my two videos are generating. For each video, we have a limit of 120 minutes with my current subscription. We have two options, one with 120 minutes each month or one with 30 minutes each month. So with the first option, we can create one video a day for our YouTube channel or our TikTok and Instagram channel. And with the other one, probably we can create much more or have like different channels, or we can create also like different accounts. Let's see how the video looks. It's going to be super fast and we will see all the generated video instantly. Great, so our first video has been generated. We can see that we have right now the button open video. So I'm going to click on it, and here on my right, I'm going to see my full video with all my images and everything. So here we can already see that our text is inside the video, and we can click play and we can hear it. We have these cool animations for our captions and everything, and all the images that are added to our video. We also have other styles like this one. or this other caption, or we have also these captions, and then we can modify them. So for example, let's say we want color like this for our background. Let's add it, and then the color in white, and then we can do it a little bit bigger, modify the position. So here we can modify the caption super easy. We don't have to write anything. It's going to be automated. We could change also the number of words. We can modify the captions if they are not really like we want it. And here in the footage, we have our image. And we can add like some transition style. For example, white. Here, imagine that you don't want an image. You can click on it, search for videos, and here add motivation. So it's going to be super fast to have these videos. And for the videos, let's add like this one. And then I'm going to add the slide transition. And then let's add another video in this position. And here we have like more motivational videos. And let's add like this transition. So here we can go to the second 7. So here we have like this image with these motivations, and then we have the video right here. It's everything automated. We don't have to do anything. We can mix the images, the videos, and everything, and then all the text. We can add a cinematic or a documentary trailer or achievement music, whatever music we want. Speed the video a little bit up so it goes faster. We don't have to modify that it image starts for 2 seconds, 3 seconds, or whatever. If we want to change the position where the image starts, we can just drag and drop the image to the new frame, and it will start at that position. Then we can export it, download it, upload it to YouTube. And here also in the Publish tab, we have this YouTube with this Generate button. It's going to give us the title, the descriptions, and the hashtags we need to add for the video. And that's everything we have to do. So hope you like this new tool. You can use it. I'm going to leave you a code in the description if you want to use it, and see you in the next video.